So in this video, I'm going to explain the fundamental counting principle in statistics and probability. So basically, fundamental counting principle is a rule used to count the total numbers of possible outcomes in a situation. So it means there are many events or situation. So in order to find the total number of outcomes, we need to multiply all the possible number of ways. So it states that if there are n ways of doing something, m ways of doing another thing after that, and o ways of doing something after that, then the total number of ways is n times m times o. So basically, you multiply the total number of n, total number of ways in m, and total number of ways in o to find the overall total number of outcomes. So to understand this, I am going to show some examples. So example number 1, suppose you are on a birthday party. There are 3 main dishes, 5 side dishes, 5 fruits, and 4 desserts. How many different meals can you choose if you can only pick one of each? So basically, the problem is like this. So you are this emoji, and this is the catering service. So there are 3 main dishes, so either chicken, meat, or seafood. 5 side dishes, 5 fruits to choose from, and then 4 desserts. So how many possible ways can you construct a meal? So imagine you go into the first station, let's say the main dish station. So as you can see, there are 3 ways to choose. Then you proceed on to the second station. So as you can see, there are 5 possible side dishes to choose from. Then the next station, there are 5 fruits. And then lastly, there are 4 desserts. So, in order to find the total number of outcomes, we just need to multiply 3 times 5 times 5 times 4. So, it means there are 300 possible combination of meals if you can only pick one of each dishes. So, that's it. That's how you solve fundamental counting principle. Another example is a coin is tossed 3 times. So how many is the possible outcomes? So basically, you toss a coin. So it's either heads or tails. So there are 2 possible outcomes. Then you toss another coin. So there are still 2 possible number of outcomes. And then third toss is still 2 possible ways. So 2, 2, 2. So the answer is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 ways. So as you can see, this is all the possible outcomes. Either heads, 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 tail, heads, tail, heads, and so on. So just multiply all the possible outcomes to find the total possible outcomes in a given event. So last example, you have 5 different pants, 8 different shirts, 9 pairs of socks, and 3 pairs of shoes. How many different outfits can you wear? So we have 5 pants, 8 shirts, 9 socks, and 3 shoes. So simple, 5 times 8 times 9 times 3. The answer is 1080. So that is how you solve fundamental counting principle. You just list down all possible outcomes in each event, then multiply them. So that's it.